Gold, 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 goldie, goldie, goldie. Goldie, goldie, goldie. I did not do a top down on gold. Oh shoot. Just trying to figure out what the hour looks like to me. Gold is different, man. Gold is different. Gold is different. Gold is different. Trying to figure out what the hour looks like to me.
Motion detected at front door.
Thinking about selling this sucker.
Presence detected at your garage.
Ba-dum-dum-dum-dum-dum. Dum-dum-dum-dum-dum-dum. Ba-dum-dum-dum-dum-dum-dum. What the heck just happened? Oh. All right, we in for a small contract. Super late, super late, super late. But I feel like I'm trusting that NASDAQ is going to go. We get a pullback and rejection to and any kind of indication that we're going up, I will enter another contract. Okay, we got gold on the charts, not trading gold, still watching and learning gold. But man, I am definitely tempted to get in. But still watching, still learning. So I have gold is bearish right now. So that could have been an entry after this engulfing or this, well, yeah, it's an engulfing. but gold looks to be kind of tricky. I had a hard time figuring out the structure today on a daily for an hour, so forth. I do expect, not that I want it, but I do expect some drawdown on NASDAQ before it hits my target, because we just broke out of this consolidation, this resistance area, which we see was resistance here yesterday. This is a trade I took yesterday. After this loss, I took this sell, got out here, left the house, price came back and dropped a little more, so found resistance here, then again this morning. And I really wanted to get in down as it broke above, but I'm not really a breakout trader. But I do expect NOVICE to buy today since it's been consolidating and on the downtrend, but overall uptrend. So I mentioned I expect some drawdown. I do expect it to come back to this area and retest. Hopefully I'm not in it by that time. I'd love to see a continuous push up, push up, push up. Let me get out the market and then come back, and then I'll look for another entry. But I don't want it to retest now. Just under 3 minutes left on the 15. So this wasn't the greatest entry. It's actually why I think I should just get out, because this might be a fake out. We don't know. I'd rather get out with small profits and then look for another entry if it were to come back here. That's where my head is at. But I want to see how this 15 finishes. Because these candles are getting very, very weak. I mean, the 15 is strong, but we'll probably have a pullback. Where is it? 50% of this candle. Let's see what happens. I have no problem getting out and getting back in today. None. It's to my left. Area of interest right here. A little. This is where I got stopped out. Well, not here, but price would not break above. So I'm watching that area right now. If we get up there soon. All right, 15 minute has closed. Very strong. Do expect a pullback. I don't want to pull back, but we know how it goes. Give me the push. You know what? Let's say that's your. Oh, man, don't do that. Like I said, expect a pullback. I don't want to be a part of it. So I'm just going to close that and then wait for another entry. And the only reason I closed that is because the entry was so late. I bought at a high as opposed to a low. So let's go back to the 5. I mean, buying on this push, that was, I mean, I took a couple dollars, but that's not the ideal entry. That's what I. That's what I'm looking for. What I don't want to see is that. Oops. Well, definitely don't want to see that. See what that 30 is looking like. We still got 42 minutes on the hour. This thing could push all the way up here and then just push back down. Gotta risk it for the biscuit. Oh. Glad I got out. Took a couple dollars. What? It was only $17. I thought it was more than that. All right, so I've seen NASDAQ break out and just go, and I'm like, well, let me at least try to be a part of that, if nothing else. Let's see what happens at this area. We like biscuits. Good morning. You stupid. I am considering. Not yet. I was gonna say I'm considering buying gold, which I don't know. Haven't quite figured it out yet. You stupid. Low. You know I'm never gonna let you live that one down, right? Too funny. Oh boy. Okay, I can't barely see right now, but I'm thinking about jumping in this gold, man, for a small little contract. We want to see what's gonna happen. Should we do it? Should we do it for 2 contracts? I'm doing it. That might have been a tad bit too early. I didn't get to pull back into the area that I wanted for NASDAQ, which is why I'm not in that right now. Although I'm getting a nice candle on the 3 minute, I still would like to see it come back a little deeper. Gold might have snuffed me, y'all. So I really should have waited for a close of above this, basically where my entry is. But I was looking at the 15 and it was looking pretty strong. But it had about 6 minutes left on it. But we're gonna see what's gonna happen. Small risk. Okay, I think I'm going to close that. That was not the move. That was my bad. Should not have taken that until I had a close above this area of resistance on this 5-minute chart. But now I don't want to hop in now and try to take the sell. Hey, what up, Drew? Andrew? Yep, I did. Just trying to look at it and see if I can learn it and see if it gives me some help. Any trades today for you? I just took a loss on what was that, gold? Small loss. Still trying to figure out gold. But you know what? This is consolidating. All right. That was my error. I should not have taken anything inside of this price trap. Nice. Was that a win for you? Nice. Profit is profit. Oh, okay. Well, hope you're up for the day. This is what I should have done. Nope. 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 My stop should have been below here for gold, but I didn't want to risk that much. Okay, hey. Up is up, right? Better to be positive than negative. All right, so I'm just waiting. I'm waiting for a retest of this level of resistance. Turn support. Hopefully turn support. Appreciate you joining every day, man. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. I really want to see this, but you know how NASDAQ, if you trade NASDAQ, you know it does not come back for a while. 15. We're in. That was late too. Shoot. You mother. Yeah, that's what we hope. We're hoping up, up, up. Let me look at gold again. Let me drop down. I'm tempted to take another entry on gold. Should have stayed my butt in gold. Now I got to make up this loss. Got to keep these L's small. Now watch NASDAQ do what I wanted it to do, or should have been waiting for it to do. Come back, retest, give me an entry. Yeah, that's what I was waiting on is the retest, but like I said, NASDAQ will leave without you. So I don't want it to retest, at least not now. But yeah, that's what I wanted. But I've been left behind with NASDAQ so many times on a move like this. I mean, the 15 was real strong. And we had that, that rejection. Was this the retest? I don't know. But NASDAQ will leave you. These candles are real small, so I'm not too confident that it's going to take off from here. There's no volume in those candles. What do you know about book mapping footprints? I think I'm saying that right. All right, so the 15 is giving me a little scare with this pullback and created this high. I didn't break this low, so please go up. Gold is over here with 7 minutes left on the 15 as well. Obviously, still in my price trap, so just waiting. Yeah, I looked at footprint and it doesn't visually agree with me. I don't think we have any news, right? Nothing major. Oh, what the heck just happened? Okay. Yeah, I heard that it works. I guess for me, I just have to get past how it looks to me visually. But I hear a lot of people talking about it and Bookmap. So, but then at the same time, while I say that, I know some people that only trade price action, strictly price action, and they're successful. So, all right, D, have a good day. Thanks for joining. Hit that thumbs up before you go. Andrew, are you watching the charts now? You looking to get into anything? I don't like how small these candles are. There's a nice push and then this creep back up. Yeah. Excuse me. Okay. You sucker. Man, I so need a new chair. Yeah, I definitely think it's gonna go down before it goes up. I should have gotten out when it hit my entry. So I don't want to be in that much drawdown if it is coming down to go back up. But it's probably better to take this $80 loss than $160 loss. I ended up profitable yesterday, $100. I took 2 L's, was down 180, and then I caught a sell, added to the contract or added to the position, and ended up with $100. So it was a small profitable day, considering how my start was. So I'm not mad at it. I'll take it. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah, I think it's time to get out looking at looking at how this 1 minute is acting. It's breaking lows, creating lower highs. Yeah, I think it's time to take this L, man. I don't want to. Two seconds left. So if anyone's wondering, my uh, stop loss, my mental stop loss is probably after this candle here, which really doesn't make sense as I'm looking at it. Come on now. Yeah, I think I should. Let's see. Let's see. Still got an eye over here on gold. Yeah, let me get out of this and look for another entry. I'd have been more comfortable had I not gone in with two contracts, but I didn't want to give back as much as the risk should be. And watch it just go, 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 go. Down 170. 300 is my daily loss limit. That's all I'm willing to risk. So my lack of patience is what killed me on that. Because if you were on, you heard me say I want to see price come back, retest. And even when I took that last entry, I said it didn't come back to where I wanted it to before I hopped in. So that's that lack of patience. Ouch. I think another thing too for me is my unwillingness to risk the proper amount. And what I say by proper amount, I mean I my risk should be at least $200 to $300 for what my strategy or for what the size of this account. Actually, 1% would be like $500, but I felt comfortable with 300, but I never put on a $300 risk. This, let me see. I was at 1300 this morning before that loss. So $1,300. This was the closest I've been to the $3,000 goal. So I get real passive and make smaller trades than I should be when I first started, which if you look at, let me see if I can pull this up while we wait. Is this it? Yeah. So looking at my TradeZella, I mean, 4 trades, $730. 10 trades, $531. 5 trades, $325. Then it started going downhill. Then I had 1 trade. This was a news day. I was in a trade. I said it's gonna either take me out at break even or go. So this was that day. Took a small loss, and then after that, I just start dropping my contract size. Because if you look at this month, 143, 120, 123, 100. So the closer I got to the target, the more passive I got, or I've become. So I have to get back to these type of trades, $730, $530. Thank you. But it's the nervousness of, man, I'm closing in. I don't want to blow it. I've been working this long, so forth. So it's all a mental thing, and I know it, and I'm working on it, y'all. I'm working on it. I just have to stick with my plan, trust my strategy, be comfortable taking an L. If that's what it is, that's what it is. And trade what I see and not what I anticipate to happen. It's all on my blackboard. I read it every day. But it's hard to do. If I can keep that level of consistency that I had in the month of May, the losses were small. The wins were, well, this isn't a good example, but you can see here for the day, 7:30, 5:30, 3:25, 2:32, 5:10. I don't really count that one because that was news, right? So then after that, I took that $200 loss and I just start dropping the contract size for no reason other than, man, I don't want to blow this account. Okay, we got 3 minutes left on the 15. Whoops, wrong one. Had I placed my stop below when I took that gold trade, I would still be in it, but I didn't do that, and I know better. Stop should be, for my trading plan, below the low, above the high, previous. So now I can only risk one contract, or if price comes down here, because my stop should be below here, because I've already taken some L's and I'm down $180. So and to be quite honest, I really should be done for the day because I've taken 2 L's. The fact that it's not $300 shouldn't change my strategy or plan, which is 2Ls, be done for the day. So I'm sticking with that. So if I do anything, I'm going to take this on the practice account because I have to stick to my plan. So stick to my rules. Stick to my rules. Two L's, we're done. We're done trading this account. I'm going to. I have what I have 4 accounts over here with Top Step X. I'm not going to trade them because mentally I'm still over here with my other loss or other account with 2 losses. So if I jump over here now, it's the same thing, right? I've still taken 2 losses and I'm still trying to trade the market even if I were to switch over. But I do want to get this set up because I do plan to start trading this. I've had these accounts for a month because I just got rebuild. So I've had them for a month and I haven't even traded the account. And I want to keep paying what? Let's see. I got them for $19, so $80 a month. No, I have 3 at 20 and 1 at 29. So whatever that comes out to. So I don't want to take a trade on this account. I want to be on this. So I don't want to take a trade over here because I've been trading over here and took some L's. And mentally I feel like even though will be new accounts, I'll still feel like I'm trying to revenge trade. So, oh shoot, battery about to die. But I do have this Top Step X account. And I'm looking to start trading that real soon. So here's what I'm going to do. I have to stick to my plan. I don't want to be tempted to jump into anything. So I'm going to end the stream early today just so I can be prudent with my trading plan and my trading rules and not be tempted. All right, so hey, thank you for joining. Please give a thumbs up if you haven't. This is AB, Mr. Bankable, your novice futures trader. And yeah, I'm just looking at NASDAQ. Hey, but yeah, thank you for joining. I'm learning. I'm trying to grow, and hopefully you stick with me as I grow. All right, that's it. That's all. Have a great day. If you're in some trades, good luck. I don't believe in luck, but we're going to claim a win. And that's it. That's all. We'll talk to you. It's your boy, Mr. Bankable. Hope to see you next time, Drew. Thanks again for joining.